Today we're making cherry pie bars. These bars are extraordinarily delicious, yet so simple to make. We start with a 3-ingredient shortbread crust. We pour on our pie filling, and we top these with some of our reserve shortbread crumbles. I'm making a version in an 8x8 pan today, and you can always double the recipe and make it in a 9x13.
Our recipe begins with a shortbread base made by combining flour, sugar, and we cut in 1½ sticks of very cold butter until we get pea-sized crumbs. We set aside 1/2 cup of our crumbs and pour the remainder into an 8x8 pan lined with foil. Press the crumb mixture into the bottom of the pan until it's flat and even and there are no loose crumbs. And bake it until the edges are lightly golden brown. As soon as the crust comes from the oven, we pour on 2 cups of cherry pie filling. I like to puree my cherry pie filling because I prefer that consistency. We prepare a topping by combining our reserved crumbs with some pecans, tossing well, and then evenly spread this over the top of our cherry pie filling. We bake our cherry pie bars for about 35 more minutes until the top is done. Once the bars are completely cool, it's easy to remove the foil. Drizzle with a simple powdered sugar glaze flavored with some almond extract, and you have a delicious bar.